Hurricane Helene was one of the most devastating and deadly hurricanes in recent years. And between that and other storms like Harvey in 2017, I think it's time we talk about how anthropogenic climate change intensifies natural disasters. We know that greenhouse gases, like carbon dioxide, are increasing the global temperature, but there's so much more than just global warming. Hurricanes like these are not getting more frequent, but they are getting more intense. Category 3 to 5 hurricanes have gotten 5% more common per decade over the last 40 years. And there's a few reasons why, but it mostly comes back to warmer oceans. Hurricanes are basically thermodynamic engines. In simple terms, that means they get their energy from the difference in temperature. Air that's way high in the atmosphere is really cold, so the hotter the air at the bottom gets, the larger that temperature difference, and the more fuel the storm has to grow. And that's a big part of why Helene was so intense. The Gulf of Mexico was at record temperatures, so the storm intensified far more rapidly than usual as it came across. Another thing is that with higher temperatures, more ocean water evaporates, and warmer air can hold more moisture. Together, those two things lead to more extreme rain and storms. As a general trend, we're also seeing high-intensity storms drift further from the equator as the tropical zone expands towards the poles. That might help explain why an area as far north as North Carolina got hit so hard by Helene. On top of that, rising sea levels can contribute to increased flooding, like what we saw wipe out communities in Florida. The climate crisis has a cost. The death toll of Helene alone is already at 220 at time of writing, and if we don't make radical global change to climate policy, storms like these are only going to keep getting more common. Check out beanstem.org to learn more and to see how to donate to Helene relief funds.